Am I good? What's up, guys? It's Dustin here. We're putting on a new exhaust on the RX-7. We put on a full axle back titanium Tomei exhaust, but that still left the mid-pipe, and we have a HKS downpipe. So hopefully we're gonna put the mid-pipe on, and it sounds great, and maybe it'll shoot a flame. Yeah. You don't even have a car, so stay quiet over there. My mic doesn't have to drop me. So.
I actually have 3 shirts.
And none of them run. We're out of room.
Thank you.
This feels light as a feather. That's how light this is. I can't open it. I don't have a knife. Oh. You gonna help me read this manual? It's in Japanese.
Sure.
Yes. True Japanese parts for the true Japanese car, baby. Shit, look at this. So this is, if this is real titanium, when I burn it, it should turn blue, right? Oh!
Yeah.
Yo! I just want to see it work. That's fucking sick, bro. Look at this. I'm truly a mechanic. Mechanic.
Alright, yeah, mallet.
500, everyone's like half the size. Which I needed that one a lot more. Like,
Yeah. Damn it.
Oh wait, does that say Tomei on it? Damn, that looks cool as fuck. Troy handling that huge pipe.
Oh. Alright, so basically we gotta use hopefully a 15, that's what he's looking for. And remove this exhaust. It's not gonna be fun because it's all kinda old. It's a 93. So yeah. Hey. Twist that jack really hard to the left, very quickly. I'm gonna put my head right here, and we'll see that.
He's mad I took a shower at his house. I was rolling in dirt earlier, dude.
Why is that my problem?
Do you want me to sit on your
You
$13 million couch?
You sat on the couch after doing it anyways, so what's it matter?
I didn't.
I saw you.
Yeah, I did. I thought he was gonna light me on fire.
No.
How do you light this?
Let me show you.
Hey, just show me that way.
Right, you turn on the gas, and click the button. And then you turn it off by turning off the gas. So you're gonna burn with it.
You!
Okay, you.
bro, you're gonna blow yourself up.
Yeah?
Can I make this bigger?
What'd you say?
I forgot how to turn it on. How do you charge a flamethrower?
Bro,
I just got that, bro! What the fuck?
bro.
I just got that for him. I know. Where's the rest?
Hey! What does that mean?
Is open.
Okay, bro.
So you're
I'm glad we've established that. Like,
downpipe.
It's loud.
You're not supposed to do downpipe. It's just open.
RX-7 shoots big flames now. on open headers. I don't know if it'll do it with a mid-pipe, but it's cool now. I'm gonna try to blue burn the Tomei plate on the mid-pipe.
Started it, I can't just put it back on now.
Yeah, kinda.
Oh me. Can you like put this up on your camera?
All right, it's finally done. About to start her up. Let's go crazy.
Oh.
It's done. It's time to start the car. Well, we
Start her
gotta
up.
get the jack stands out, and then we gotta start the car. Either it explodes or this goes really well. Alright guys, it's super late. It's like 2 a.m. The mid-pipe's on. We now have like a full Tomei exhaust on the RX-7. Shoots big fucking flames and chunks of cat at the moment. Like, comment, subscribe to follow the build. More stuff coming. Yeah, Supra's in the garage. It needs new wheel hubs because people that I hang out with don't know how to take wheels on and off. So, yeah, come back for more.